Did you know every 39 seconds a cyber attack happens? In today's digital world, we need digital heroes more than ever. Hi, I'm Abhinav.
And I am Raman Singh.
And after working as a security engineer and DevSecOps professional in Germany, I know how crucial it is to build a strong foundation in cybersecurity. At CGC Mohali, I teach not only the theory behind network security and latest cyber threats, but also the growing importance of cloud computing in B.Sc cybersecurity program. As more businesses move towards clouds, so securing these cloud environments has become an utmost priority.
With penetration testing at various MNCs, we focus on students for giving practical exposure. At CGC Mohali, we prepare our students for global level certifications, right from penetration testing and malware analysis to the ethical hacking in our advanced labs. We guide them through the global level certifications so that they can prepare them for the hands-on projects. Our graduates are in high demand, landing roles like cybersecurity analyst, security consultant, and cloud security specialist. With a record package of 1 crore and 10,000 plus recruiters, CGC Jhanjeri is the launchpad for your cybersecurity career.
So join us at the front line of our digital defense and secure not just the systems, but the future itself.
Admissions open. Join before it's too late.